But we did see some cloud cover today, and a lot of that is starting to clear. Radar did pick up on a little bit of rain north of the area here in the last hour, but that's really rain that is elevated. That's not quite reaching the ground. And we saw this all morning long where radar was detecting raindrops, but those raindrops not quite reaching the ground. We now see the cloud cover clearing for a big portion of North Texas, still looking at a little cloud cover along the Red River and along our eastern counties. That's where we have temperatures in the mid 70s. With the upper 70s along the Red River, 79 in Gainesville and in Sherman. Compare that to the 82 in Dallas, 80 in Fort Worth, about 84 in Waxahachie and in Corsicana. We'll continue to see these numbers climb as the day goes on. But for right now, we're at 82 degrees at DFW. Our wind is light. The air at the surface, at the ground, it's actually still relatively dry. That's why that rain didn't make it all the way down. Dew points are in the 50s. That's a measure of moisture. When that number is in the 50s, it's generally on the lower side. It feels more comfortable for us. It doesn't feel quite as muggy or as sticky for us. And temperatures today are going to climb as a result of the slightly lower humidity and the sunshine that's in place. So we'll be at about 87 degrees around 2, 89 degrees around 4 this afternoon. And because we are going to see clear skies tonight, it's going to cool down a little bit quicker tonight than it did last night when we had the cloud cover. So we'll be at about 75 degrees around midnight when temperatures dropping into the 60s overnight. But you see a lot of that cloud cover clear the rest of the day. I'm not expecting it tonight or tomorrow. In fact, the rest of the week, we are looking more sunny. Temperature makes it to 89 as a result in Dallas, about 88 in McKinney, 87 in Denton, and about 90 in Fort Worth. Normal this time of the year is 84. We are trending about 5 degrees warmer than that. I do think some locations could make it to 90 degrees, including Fort Worth and in Corsicana. Some spots mainly to the southeast of the area could see about 90 degrees today. We are going to see a general warm up. And this is going to be by just a couple degrees during the afternoon hours, not so much in the overnights. And it's all because of where that ridge of high pressure is. So we've been talking about our weather pattern not really changing all that much in the next 10 days. What we're noticing is that high kind of is lingering close to North Texas, but never directly over North Texas, which is why our temperatures are, yes, trending warmer than normal, but not anywhere near record strength. That's why we see a gradual warming trend, and that's why, unfortunately, we see rain, really no rain chances for us. Temperatures the next few days will climb into the low 90s in the afternoons. That generally puts us 6 to 8 degrees warmer than normal. This will be true Wednesday through Saturday. Normal this time of the year is between 83 to 84 degrees, so we'll be trending a bit warmer than that. And of course, an update on the tropics for you. While our weather is not so active, it is pretty active in the tropics. We have Hurricane Humberto. This at one point was a Category 5 storm. It's now a Category 1. That will move into the northern Atlantic, not making any impacts to land. And we now have Category 1 Hurricane Imelda. This outer band of Imelda is making it onto the Carolina coastline, unfortunately causing a flood concern there. But Humberto is helping pull Imelda's track away from any mainland. Kind of just what happens whenever you have two cyclones in the vicinity of each other. One tends to influence the other. Meanwhile, we have no local impacts and really calm weather the next couple of weeks. We're looking rain-free and we're looking warm in the afternoons. Morning lows stay in the 60s.